Well everyone, iOS 26.6.1 has officially came out, so you might be wondering how it holds up on the iPhone 13. Now, without a doubt, this is a really good update. It brought a bunch of bug fixes and a bunch of security updates. So this is always something that's very important to remember, and being able to upgrade your iPhone to these updates are really important. Now within iOS 26.6.1, this brought a lot of bug fixes. So this is always something that's super important to think about, because as you're going through and kind of upgrading your device, the last thing you want to do is get an update that's going to cause more issues or problems or anything like that. And this update is not going to be doing anything like that whatsoever for the most part. Now on an iPhone 13, because this thing is so close to iOS 27, being publicly released, you have to remember there's a very high chance this update is just going to be kind of that framework platform update. It's just going to be fixing some things here and there, and that's going to be what's going on for the most part. So I feel like that right there is kind of a big thing. That's kind of one of those really big things to keep in mind there. And with these types of updates, that's something you have to kind of remember. So for me personally, I feel like that in and of itself is a very important thing. So all in all, I think it's a great update. I'd highly recommend installing it. And that's basically how it holds up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.